How a one-legged life agent sold 47 applications in a month using his smartphone and texting while traveling in his RV. Had a call a few months ago from an agent who is semi-retired and travels with his wife all over the United States in an RV. Due to a car accident years ago, he lost part of one of his legs. He told me, using his smartphone and tablet, he sold 47 insurance applications last month to our niche widow lead system and sell while you sleep system. He specializes in giving term quotes to millionaire life leads and final expense quotes to widows. For your information, 65% of all final expense insurance is sold to widows. His average monthly production is between 40-50 applications per month, all using his smartphone and tablet to give a quote over the phone or via texting. He gets his leads via Google Ads, YouTube video ads, and niche widows list, and ℏ part-time telemarketers using my phone scripts, texting, and a speed dialer. They call during the daytime to book appointments and even transfer hot leads to the agent. If he is available, he will take the call and gives the prospect a quote using a quote engine of the top 10 term quotes depending on the age. It could be a final expense quote. Everything is done by e-applications. All non-buyers go in a 10 emotional video autoresponder where he drips on them over a 30-day period. They can then sign up using 100% non-involvement agent selling while you sleep. If he is busy on the beach or in the mountains, they go to one of his web pages, sales funnels, where he captures the lead. He loves the ocean and has sold policies while sitting on the beach or enjoy the views in Lake Tahoe, California in the summertime. For agents who would like to learn more about selling 7 to 10 policies a week over the phone or texting, check out my website at www.finalexpensemillionairekit.com. This could be a great profit center for you.